Hey everybody, it's Mr. Campbell, and I wanted to share something very special with you today, which is that I just got in the mail the first completed proof of my new book, Power from on High. So I wanted to do an unboxing video and see what it looks like. This one was self-published through Ingram Spark. It's my first time doing it through Ingram Spark. Usually I used CreateSpace, Kindle Direct, or Lulu, but I used Ingram Spark because they were the only one I could find that would do a hardcover with a dust jacket and do global distribution. So I'm really stoked to check this out. This thing is really, they don't make it easy to open. So let's I hope I'm not destroying my book here. Let's have a look here. Oh my gosh, that is lovely. There it is. Like I said, oh cool. This is, like I said, this is my first one with a dust jacket ever. This makes me feel legit. My Steve Jobs photo. Oh wow, quality is really good. Looks good on the inside. How did my illustrations come out? Where are my illustrations? Well, that came out great too. Look at that. How does it look without the dust jacket? Oh, cool. Well, I'm so thrilled with how this looks. Power from on High, this is something I've been working on for the past several months. This is this book, Theocratic Kingship from Constantine to the Reformation. This book goes way back. I started writing, well, this book began as my senior thesis in college at Ave Maria College, now Ave Maria University. I wrote the manuscript for what would become this book. I wrote it in 2004. And for the past few months, I've been reworking it, editing it, making it less crummy, beefing it up, and turning it into a very nice product. Power from on High is a study of, basically it's a study of medieval royal propaganda. It's the study of how throughout the medieval period, the kings of Christendom tried to portray themselves as having a power directly from God in order to exert control over the church. How they appointed bishops, endowed monasteries, took on a role that today we would think was that they were usurping the rights of the church. So it's basically a story of the idea of sacred kingship and then how the church pushed back against the ideology of sacred kingship in the 11th century. So this is for, I mean, I guess young people could read this, but this is really an adult trade nonfiction book. So my primary audience here was adults. Anyhow, I will have something online about this shortly, but gosh, this looks really, really nice. This is probably the most professional looking self-published book I've ever done. So super cool.